Okay, guys, we're back. Sorry about that. Still can't get this text to go away. We've been trying for like 3 hours. It just won't work. So we're just gonna have to bear through it, guys. Oh Jesus! What? It turned into a car door. Ah, the car door turned into a head crab.
At first, I thought it was a freaking purse.
I did too. Oh Jesus! Stop killing them! Turn them into a strider. Ah! Fine, you jokes. Blah 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 doon doon blah 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 doon. You know what? Since it's gonna be a jerk, I'm gonna be a jerk right back. I'm gonna be a Teletubby murderer.
What the balls?
Teletubby. Teletubby murderer. Teletubby murderer. Why, you know, be nice. Fine then, I'm going to become my worst enemy, the Dalek. Hold on, I've got to get out, spawn in a few things. Okay, first of all, let me get in the Dalek. Get in! Get in! Get in the Dalek.
Punch it.
Oh, I'm in! Charging up, charging, Oh, Jesus!
Just snipe the crap out of it.
Oh, God. Oh, no, not in the water. Look at that! Ah! That's it. Oh, Jesus.
Go away, you stupid text!
I can't get back up. Oh, there we go. I'm dancing in the rain.
Let's
I'm
find
going
some ones with cars and stuff.
I will make a chair. Become super chair.
Super chair, super chair.
Can I do that? I sit in the chair very slowly for some reason. I'm a splatty toon toon. A splatty splatty splat toon. Splatty splat. Splatty splat. Splatty splatty splat toon. I'm going to try something really fast. Okay, I'm going to try to get weaponized seat. It still won't work! Why are you so derpy, you seat? Oh, wait, maybe if I go like this. Oh, crap. Make a red drive. I'm driving it. Watch this. I'm going to use my mind powers. Look at my character. She's just using mind powers.
Oh, telekinesis. Drop it into the
I can't see crap. Okay, I'm looking for some awesome stuff that I can do because this is getting kind of boring now. Probably haven't even made it this far. If you made it this far, then you get to watch this. And blah, 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 blah.
Who are you?
I am the marionette. Epic stream montage.
Puppet.
Be careful of the sleeping baby, please.
They're playing Minecraft. Make a new video.
Sleeping baby right there. Come soon. Waiting for her mom.
You're playing, what's it, Five Nights at Freddy's Minecraft.
Not exactly.
Another C mod.
Chica is creepy.
Chica's my favorite. No, Chica's not my favorite.
Oh, Jesus! What is this?
My favorite.
I'm an error.
You're an error.
I'm an error again. I'm another error.
You're the error.
Why? Why?
Well,
Test subject.
man.
Why? I fell down.
Okay, you're okay. When you were outside, I thought you were with me.
Okay, there we go.
What the heck? Is that another dope? No.
Meh.
Ew, what is that? Is that something dead? Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, raisins. I'm a backwards turret. I'm so backwards. I keep becoming arrows. I am a turret. Help me, I'm down. Well, I think this is gonna be like the end of this video, guys. So, yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of this video. Cause yeah, my special guest left. There being a derpy pants and left, so now I'm all alone and very, very lonely. Someone please come here and be in a video with me, please. I'm gonna do things. I'm loading a save file. Load this saved file. What in the world? I can't see. I can't see anything. I'm gonna fall and hit the ground. Bad life choices. Start game. Oh jeez. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to end the video. So goodbye.